Hey there, everyone. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to use AI to boost your productivity, but you were on the go? Maybe you were waiting for a meeting, commuting, or simply away from your desk. Well, today we're diving into a question that many of you have been asking. Does ClickUp AI work on mobile? Let's explore this together. Understanding ClickUp AI. Before we get into the mobile aspect, let's quickly recap what ClickUp AI is. It's a powerful AI assistant built into the popular project management tool, ClickUp. Think of it as your personal productivity sidekick, helping you with everything from generating task descriptions to summarizing meeting notes. But can this AI magic happen on the smaller screen of your smartphone? The mobile experience. The short answer is yes, ClickUp AI does work on mobile. However, the experience is slightly different compared to using it on a desktop or laptop. Accessibility. The AI features are seamlessly integrated into the ClickUp mobile app. You can access them directly from the task view, making it easy to use on the go. Functionality. Most of the AI features available on the desktop version are also accessible on mobile. This includes generating task descriptions, summarizing text, and even creating new tasks based on your voice commands. User interface. The mobile app is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and use even on a smaller screen. Real-world use cases. Now, let's see how ClickUp AI can be a game-changer for your mobile productivity. Task creation. Struggling to come up with a concise task description? Simply open the task view on your phone, tap the AI icon, and provide a brief prompt. ClickUp AI will generate a detailed task description that you can customize. Meeting summaries. Don't want to spend hours typing out meeting notes? Let ClickUp AI do the heavy lifting. After your meeting, record a quick summary using your phone's voice recorder. Then upload the recording to ClickUp AI, and it will transcribe and summarize the key points. Idea generation. Stuck on a creative project? Use ClickUp AI to brainstorm ideas directly from your phone. Simply provide a prompt related to your project, and the AI will generate a list of potential ideas. Time management. Need to track your time on the go? ClickUp AI can help you with that too. Simply start a timer or log your time manually using the mobile app. Limitations and considerations. While ClickUp AI offers a powerful mobile experience, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for using ClickUp AI on mobile. Without a connection, you won't be able to access the AI features. Processing time. While ClickUp AI is generally fast, there might be a slight delay in processing your requests, especially if you're using a slower network. Feature limitations. Some advanced AI features might not be as robust on mobile compared to the desktop version. For example, generating complex content or analyzing large datasets might be more challenging. Final thoughts. So, does ClickUp AI work on mobile? Absolutely. It's a fantastic tool for staying productive and efficient on the go. While there are a few limitations, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. If you're a ClickUp user who frequently finds themselves working on their phone, I highly recommend giving ClickUp AI a try. You might be surprised at how much it can streamline your workflow. Have you tried using ClickUp AI on your mobile device? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're not already a ClickUp user, consider giving it a try. You can sign up for a free account at link to ClickUp website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.